मैं सब के बाद हार नहीं मान सकता।
I may not give up after all. I may not give up after all.
इसे दरवाजे से बाहर निकाल दिया गया।
He was kicked out the door. He was kicked out the door.
बिल्ली इसके सीने से लगी हुई थी।
The cat was clutched to her chest. The cat was clutched to her chest.
मैं रात को घर वापस आया।
I returned home at night. I returned home at night.
वो इस सूरत हाल से शर्मिंदा थे।
They felt embarrassed by the situation. They felt embarrassed by the situation.
वो कभी ज्यादा जज्बाती नहीं हुई।
She has never been more emotional. She has never been more emotional.
इसका दिन उस वक्त शुरू हुआ जब उसने अपना कलम खो दिया।
His day started when he lost his pen. His day started when he lost his pen.
मुझे ये भी मालूम था।
I also knew that. I also knew that.
हम काम के लिए तैयार हैं।
We are up to the task. We are up to the task.
बस इसके साथ चलो।
Just go with it. Just go with it.